Hello everyone. Okay, so today I have a situation at hand, and it is that see the ignition key. I start the ignition key, but you see it doesn't go. Try to push it in. It doesn't go. It doesn't go in freely. Okay, so initially I thought, is it the key that is having problem? So I have this key that I caught. It's not programmed, there's nothing in it, but it's just exact replica of the master key. So I got that and inserted it in. Still, you see, somewhere in between it gets stuck, and it wouldn't go in. And then for this key, sometimes pulling it out, it appears that a tooth is hooked somewhere. So sometimes I have to wiggle it and before pulling it out. Okay, so none of these keys will go in freely. Okay, so what have I decided to do? I've decided to apply a little bit of lubrication. Okay, so I have here our ever reliable WD-40, our ever multi-purpose WD-40. And so what I've decided to do here is to apply some measure of WD-40 on the key. Not much, just slightly. Okay, spray a little bit of WD-40 on the key and insert it in there. Since WD-40, one of the functions they say stop squeaky joints, so I'm hoping that the WD-40 will enable the keys, okay, to move in and out of the ignition freely. Okay, so I'll do that now. Okay, with a little bit of WD-40 on it, try to insert it in and wiggle it. See, there are some dirts coming out of it, so I wipe that off and keep repeating the process. Okay, again I've wet the key with a little bit of WD-40 and still wiggling it. Just keep doing that. Oh, aha, see, now it goes in. Okay, see, it's a bit stuck again. Okay, at least it has gone in for the first time in about 24 hours. See the debris, see the coloration on the key. key, that is. Okay. Okay, so it goes in. See, now it goes in. Goes in, even though it's still a bit difficult in pulling it out, but at least it's going in further than before. That's about the third attempt after wetting the key with WD-40. Slightly wetting the key with WD-40. So at least that has done some work. Apply a little bit on this master key too and try it. A little bit of WD-40 on the master key, and okay, so it goes in too. Okay. Okay, so with that, you see the key goes in. There's still a little bit of resistance, but at least it's better than before. See, now the key can go in freely. Okay, so again, WD-40 has helped me. But well, if you are to do this, you have to be careful so you don't pour too much WD-40 into the ignition. Right? Thank you.